welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today I'm going to be unboxing this month's Boxy Premium box from BoxyCharm. So if you guys are interested in what I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have not opened up this box. I was gonna do like a, whatchamacallit, a try on and stuff, but the last one was kind of, I mean, not that it was a, my looks wasn't a meh, but I kind of was expecting more stuff to put on my face. So I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna bother trying to do that. So we're just gonna go through and maybe I'll do, like, if I get anything, I'll do it in another video. So let's just jump right in because honestly, I don't even know what I got and I wanna know. So opening up the premium box, we have our little card and it is the same theme as the Luxe. Of course, they're the same theme all across the board. And it is Lucky. I got variation C21032248-PM. And the first thing that I see on the list is Kypris Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer Shimmer Palette Set. This retails for $145. So what now? This thing? Hold on. Okay. Ah! Almost dropped it. Oh my god. So here is the item. This retails for $145. So I don't, what? Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. Okay. This pairing packs technology forward skincare first, illumination and shimmer. The Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer creates an optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers, I can't speak, active buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for BoxyCharm and is not for resale. So this is an eye serum and primer. I got strands of hair on my clothes. That is interesting. Honestly, I would probably wouldn't even use this. I would probably put this in a giveaway, to be honest with you guys. Just because I have my eye stuff, and yeah, I don't know. So here is this shimmery body eye palette. That's a lot of shimmers. They're pretty, but that's quite a bit. Like, the whole thing is shimmers. I'm seeing some stuff that I personally would like. I mean, even this gray one. Oh, is that too bright for you guys? Okay, so I'm liking these shades, to be honest with you. I think they're super pretty. Would I use it? Probably not, just because it's a eye serum thing and then like nothing but shimmers on the other palette. So I'm probably gonna put this in a giveaway. I like this though. Like if it didn't have the eye serum and primer thing and it had like some matte shades, or if it was like something, I don't know, I just wouldn't put a shimmery eye primer thing. I wouldn't do that. That's just not my thing. So I'm gonna put this off to the side because I don't want to get that confused with my other stuff. So, and again, that retails for $145. Then we have the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Okay, that retails for $35, which is this primer right here. I don't know if it's gonna work with my skin because it says hydrating. So this, anyway, I'm gonna read what it says. This revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic based ingredients and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance and promote elasticity and help hydrate while locking down makeup for fresher, longer, more flawless wear. Oh my god, my hair is like sticking to my lip gloss, honestly. I just don't know if this is gonna work for my skin because I do have oily skin. So that's interesting. If you guys have used this and you guys have oily skin, let me know. Because I don't know whether or not it's worth keeping or giving it away, honestly. So I'm just gonna put that off to the giveaway side because I don't even know. But I like that it was a full-size primer that we got because, you know, primers, why not? Then we have the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, which is this item right here. This retails for $26. I got the shade Charlie. I'm all about lip balms, just because like when you're running out the door, you know what I'm saying? Why not? This doesn't even look like a lip balm. It looks like either a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick. I like the shade. It is pretty neutral. It's like, do I want to open it? I don't know. This non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. Okay, this liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect. High shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. That retails for $26. I like that. I'm gonna keep that. I like it. Yes, yes, I do. Then we have the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. See, this should have came in the last month's box because I got the eyeshadow palette. That's so weird. But this retails for $48. I'm not a big fan of the packaging, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. So, I mean, it's just supposed to be cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. Are you serious? I'm sorry, but these look cheap as heck. Like, I don't know if this is gonna let me, but these look really cheap. Like, I could probably find these at the dollar store cheap. I mean, they could be nice brushes. The fact that these retail for $26, I don't know. Oh, no, not $26. I'm sorry. $48. But they look like this part looks like a cheap plastic. Like, I don't know. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Do they look cheap to you? Or is it just me? Is it me? Honestly, I don't know. I have so many brushes though. I'm not going to keep these. I'm going to put them in my giveaway box. Because I have so many darn brushes. I don't need more brushes, honestly. And I'm dropping things. Okay, then we have the IKG Prenup Instant Spray Hair Mask. What? Okay. This retails for $32. This high-powered in-shower treatment performs like a traditional hair mask. Okay, that's interesting. But works in under a minute. A multitasking mix of moisturizers, including almond oil, capachu butter, deep condition, repair, and strengthening hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. $32. That is kind of cool how it's an in-shower thing, because sometimes I don't have time to be putting things in my hair because I have other things to do. So while I'm in the shower, like, I will try to do like a deep conditioner, and that works for me. So this is super interesting. I am really interested to try out that while I'm in the shower. That seems awesome. Then the last item is the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. I hate single eyeshadows, honestly. This retails for $20. We'll see. I don't know. The last one I got was like a black shimmery shade. I put that in a giveaway, and let's see what shade this looks like. It is a dark brown shimmery shade. It doesn't look bad. Like, their formulas look nice. I've tried some of their eyeshadow palettes, but not their singles. I just never use singles, so this is gonna go in a giveaway. Because honestly, I have no use for it. And that's it. Wow. Okay. I feel like, I feel like there should have been something else in the box, honestly. But, I mean, I'm not hating it, but I'm not liking it either. I feel like Luxe was definitely better. I hate that they do single eyeshadow palettes, and the brush set seems a little wonky to me. So I don't know what's all about that, but let me know you guys' thoughts down below in the comments, because I feel like that brush set looks super cheap and flimsy to me. I don't know. That's just me. But anyway, overall thoughts on this month's box. Honestly, I feel like Luxe was way better than Premium. The only thing I'm really keeping are these two items here, which is the in-shower thingy-mabobber, the lip balm. I think the primer I'm just gonna not even use, because I don't think I could use that, honestly, for my skin type. So I mean, the box wasn't bad. I just feel like Luxe I think was way better, honestly. But yeah, that wraps up this video, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you have not already, make sure you guys sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me, help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.